Nešto kurac utvršćaju. Evo baš mi se sad kurac utvršćao. Zašto ne znam ja, ne, lišće opada, vjetar duva, ne, hoće neko da mu uturim ga do muda. Pause. Trying to get rhythm with my English cousin, my English cousin in the background. Trying to go, hit up with the flow. How about with the East Coast, West Coast? East Coast, West Coast. How about on the fastest draw, in the north, in the east, in the west, in the south, in space, on the sea? You don't want to fuck with me as I put that name. This motherfucking 33. Beer people. Am I trying to get this noggin igrat this motherfucker goddamn auto as I motherfucker goddamn send this number to get the motherfucker goddamn this. Anyways, I ain't your enemy, motherfucker. You, when you get through claiming to be a G and all the shit too, Mystery knows this to be true. Cause when the police come, being the bitch that you is, you run. But when I come through, you wanna empty the whole clip of me, fool. E.K. East Coast, West Coast, everybody killer. Coming from the Midwest. You know, I'm for real. I ain't a thriller. I'm a motherfucking killer. Killed me in broad daylight. Say it wasn't me. Cause that is the truth, you see. It was actually my clone. The real me is in a motherfucking zone. Have you ever seen a Muslim eat a hog? I'm a motherfucking god. And the devil, all he wants to do is keep me in a cage. Make money off my flesh. The devil gives me a natural life. I'm breaking the devil's necks. Out. How about this? Yo. Trick cash out. I just busted a nut a few hours ago. Here's I'm out right now recording this song. Pow.